Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we provide high-quality medical lectures for students and professionals. Today we'll be discussing essential practice of medicine lecture to enhance your patient care skills. These lectures are designed to help you master the art of patient care, from effective communication to diagnostic approaches and treatment strategies. So, let's get started. Effective patient communication is the foundation of good patient care. It's essential to build trust, understand patient concerns, and provide clear explanations. Follow these key steps. Active listening. Pay attention to what your patients say, both verbally and non-verbally. Empathy. Put yourself in your patient's shoes and show understanding. Clear explanations. Use simple language to explain diagnoses, treatments, and procedures. By following these tips, you can improve patient satisfaction, adherence to treatment plans, and health outcomes. Accurate diagnosis is critical in medicine. Here are some diagnostic approaches to help you improve your skills. Clinical reasoning. Use evidence-based medicine to guide your decision-making. Diagnostic algorithms. Follow established protocols for common conditions. Lab tests and imaging. Order appropriate tests to confirm diagnoses. Remember, diagnosis is a process that requires careful evaluation and critical thinking. Effective treatment strategies involve evidence-based medicine, pharmacology, and alternative therapies. Here are some key points to consider. Evidence-based medicine. Stay up to date with the latest research and guidelines. Pharmacology. Understand drug interactions, side effects, and contraindications. Alternative therapies. Consider multiple therapy options for every medical condition. By combining these approaches, you can provide comprehensive care that addresses patients' physical and emotional needs. Mastering the practice of medicine requires a combination of effective patient communication, diagnostic approaches, and treatment strategies. By following these essential practices, you'll be well on your way to providing high-quality patient care. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and always prioritize your patient's needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more medical lectures and share with your colleagues. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you become a better healthcare professional.